Hi, welcome to our Slimbox demo room. Today I'm going to show you how to fold a Fefco 230, one of the more popular boxes here in our Slimbox software. This is a very efficient and fast printing box model. So it's very popular because you can erect it very easily and you can make big boxes with it. I mean, this is an example. Dimensions of 80 on 50 on 50 centimeters is something that is feasible with this box type. So let me show you how to make it and how to fold it. So on the screen we have the Slimbox software that allows us to choose different models, including the 230 model, Fefco 230 model we're going to explain right now. Important to notice is that you will probably link your Slimbox with an API to your own warehouse management systems. So that means you don't have to insert in the program every time the dimensions of the package you want to pack. It will be fully automated, but that's another story. I'm going to show you right now how we can create one box and then we can print it and I can fold it. And I opened the Slimbox software where we can choose between all these different Fefco models we can create with our Slimbox. We're talking here about the Fefco 230, the fast constructing box. I add this to the plane, voila, and to make it a bit more real life looking, we're just going to pack this little box we took from our shelves, and I'm just aware that this has a length of 39 centimeters, a width of 27, and a height of 10 centimeters. So I add this to the plane. That gives us this drawing. We have also a fourth parameter, and that's the overlap. The overlap is an extra flap that you can just overlap on your cardboard. I'll show you right away in the real life. I added a second Fefco 230, where I changed the width and height of position. This gives you this drawing, and that allows you to just put the package you want to pack on the cardboard, on the plane, and fold it over, close it up with some tape, and then you have a package within seconds. Okay, let me show you right away here on the Slimbox. So this is how these two boxes come out of the machine. And well, you have the two models. I'll apply them for you, both of you. So, okay, it's easy. We got the flaps. We always have to pre-fold them. And then it's quite easy. So you just fold them like this. Have a little tape on it. Voila, that is it. Voila. So this didn't took long, and the box is packed. So I showed you the first one. This is the second way, where we can just put the plano here, fold the box over, apply the tape, voila, just the address label on it, and you're ready to go. Okay, let's just make a little recap. We applied and printed the Fefco 230. We can say that it is a very fast box. You can apply it very easily. You can get a lot of box out of your cardboard of 1 meter 30. I mean, I have here an example of 80 centimeters on 50 width and a height of 50 centimeters. So big boxes, easy to construct. Of course, the bigger the box, you'd better use an EB fluid, double fluid or something to give it some padding and to give it some strength also. We used in this case a B fluid, and that is sufficient for the more a bit smaller package that we used here as an example. So on the positive side, for the 230, it is a fast box, easy to construct. You can have an efficient way of using your corrugated cardboard, and it is quite strong. The negative side of this one, it is not the most elegant box there is. Thank you for watching.